Hey everyone, this is Srinivasa and I graduate from SRMIST and I come from Telangana and today I'm here to talk about how Emertxe helped me achieve my dreams and get placed at a core company which is a technology company. I'm just here to talk about a few things that I've experienced since the past 6 months that I've been trained over here. The mentors and the staff over here are very helpful and they made a change inside me and they helped me grow within and they faced all the obstacles that I faced along with me and created a better version of me inside the embedded field domain. So I'm just here today to be grateful and to say thank you to Emertxe for helping me getting placed at a core company at a desired package. And I would like everyone to come forward and take the training themselves. Like whoever has the interest to join the embedded domain, I would tell them that if you have the interest and you have the enthusiasm, I say that you go for it and make a change for yourself in your life. I got placed at Aaensa Technologies, which is a company from Haryana, Gurugram, and so I'm satisfied since it's a beginner's and a fresher's job. Thank you.